Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system, class 3. This is your science lecture. Today our topic is heat and unit number is 8. This is the title page of your amazing science book for class 3. Topic is heat. Yes students, we know that heat makes us warm. What is heat? Fire gives us heat. It also gives us light. If we stand close to a fire, we can feel its heat on our face and hands. Heat makes us feel warm. Here we have some pictures of which are the sources of the heat. Heat comes from the sun and from burning wood, paper and other fuels such as oil and gas. Heat is very useful. It keeps our bodies warm. We use it to cook food and to iron clothes. It can also make things move. A a steam engine moves due to heat. Anything which can do work has energy. Heat is a kind of energy. The heat energy which keeps our bodies warm comes from food. Our body uses up the food we have eaten to produce energy. All things contain heat, some have more than others. Cold water has less heat than boiling water. What are heat and molecules? What is the relation between them? We know that molecules are always moving. Molecules move because they have energy. When the molecules of something move faster, they make that thing hot. We can feel the energy of the molecules as heat. Hot molecules move faster than cold molecules, as shown in this picture. Fill one bowl with cold water, fill another bowl with hot water, put both bowls on a table, use a dropper to put a few drops of red ink in each bowl. Do not shake the table or the water. What do you see? Heat and change. Heat can change the state of things. When we heat ice cubes in a pan, they change into water. When the water begins to boil, it turns into steam. Things become hot when they are heated. The heat of the atmosphere change daytime and nighttime temperatures. Here we have the ice cubes in a bowl. Ice cubes melt because of heat and ice cubes changed into water. Why does ice melt? When ice is heated, the heat makes the molecules of ice move faster. As the molecules move, they bump into each other and begin to move away from each other. With more heat, they move faster and move further apart until the solid ice becomes water. In the same way, liquid water becomes steam. If the molecules are cooled, they slow down and move closer to each other. When molecules of steam are cooled down, they turn into tiny drops of water. When water is cooled further, its molecules slow down and move closer to each other. The water freezes into ice. So here we have the picture of thermometer. This is called the bulb of thermometer. Here we have the mercury in a liquid form and a thermometer. To find out how hot something is, we use an instrument called a thermometer. A thermometer is a closed glass tube. At one end, it has a bulb filled with a liquid called mercury. There is a scale of numbers marked on the tube as shown in this picture. If we dip the bulb into something warm, the liquid inside rises up the tube. We can use the scale to read the level of the liquid. The level of the liquid shows how hot something is. A doctor uses a thermometer to measure how hot our body is when we are sick. Next students, we have the exercise of unit number 8. Look at these questions and its answers. Here we have the question answers. Answer the following questions. The answer of first question is heat comes from the sun and burning of things. Part B, answer is heat keeps Our body is warm, help us to work, to cook food and iron clothes. Question number C, part C. The heat energy which keeps our body warm comes from our food. Next, part D. When the molecules of something move faster, they make that thing hot. Part E. When ice is heated, the heat makes the molecules of ice move faster. As the molecules move, they bump into each other and begin to move away from each other. With more heat, they move faster and move further apart until the solid ice becomes water. Here we have the diagram of thermometer. You have to write the labeling on it: bulb, mercury, thermometer. Choose the best answer. Part A answer is heat and light. B answer is energy. C answer is less. D answer is water. E answer is mercury. Directions: record the temperature of each thermometer. Here we have different thermometers with different temperatures. Record them. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.